Hello students! We are going to discuss about how to find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. Now, the arithmetic sequence formula is given by a of n is equal to a of 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, where a of n is the nth term of the sequence, a of 1 the first term in the sequence, and d the common difference between terms. Now, the first problem says we need to find the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence -7, -5, -3, -1, dot, dot, dot. Now, we know that this is an arithmetic sequence, so therefore, we will be using the arithmetic sequence formula. So, just write solution, and then we write the formula. Our formula is a of n is equal to a of 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Now, let's look for the value ng ating mga given. Since we are looking for the 25th term, so therefore, we have a of 25. We don't know yet a of 25, so that would be a question mark. Next, we have the a of 1. Now, kung titingnan natin ang problem, it says -7, -5, -3, -1, dot, dot, dot. The first term is -7. So, therefore, ang ating a of 1 is equal to the -7. Now, let's look for the value of our letter n. The problem says we need to find the 25th term or a of 25. Therefore, yung value ng letter n natin is equal to 25. Take note, students, that the n stands for the term number. Okay? So we have a of 25, that's question mark. We don't know yet the value of that. That's what we're looking for. A of 1 is equal to -7, n is equal to 25, and then next we need to find the value of our d. As mentioned earlier, letter d is the common difference between terms. How do we solve for that? This is how we do it. Common difference. Okay, we just write lang muna here. And then, we solve for that. So we solve for the common difference. It says that's the answer if we subtract the second term by the first term, the third term by the second term, the fourth term by the third term, respectively. Now let's start solving for the common difference. So we have -5 and minus -7. Now, -5 minus a -7, that would give us +2. Next, we have -3 minus -5. -3 minus -5, that is +2. Next, we have -1 minus a -3, and that would give us +2. Now, if nalilito pa tayo on how do we subtract integers with the same sign, ganito lang po yung ginagawa natin. Kino-convert muna natin siya into addition. Okay, so we start with this one. I-copy lang natin. Copy this one. We change the sign to addition. And then, opposite sign of -3, that would be magiging +3. And then, we proceed na to addition. Mas easier na sa atin ang mag-add ng -1 plus 3. -1 plus 3, that's equal to 2. Ibig sabihin, the common difference of our arithmetic sequence is equal to 2. Okay, students, that's how we find for the common difference. Isosubtract lang natin yung second term by the first term. Tapos yung third term, isosubtract lang natin by the second term. Okay, so kung pare-parehas yan ng common difference, ibig sabihin, that's an example of arithmetic sequence, or the sequence na given ay is an arithmetic sequence. Now, we plug in our given to the formula. Ipa-plug in na natin. Sulat muna natin yung formula natin. A of n is equal to a of 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Now, let us plug in our given to the formula or i-substitute lang natin yung mga given na meron tayo or yung nakuha natin sa ating formula. A of n will become A of 25. Ibig sabihin, yung hinahanap natin na term is the 25th term, no? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng A of 25. Now, ano yung value ng A of 1 natin? Yung value ng A of 1 natin ay negative 7. So, ibig sabihin, itong A of 1, papalitan lang natin yan ng negative 7. Okay? So, it will become negative 7 plus, open parenthesis, ano yung value ng n natin? Ang value ng letter n natin is equal to 25. Meaning, yung n natin, papalitan lang natin ng 25. So that becomes 25 minus 1 multiplied to the value of our letter D. Sabi sa ating given, the value of our letter D is equal to 2. Ibig sabihin, this is equal to 2. Ayan, pinalitan lang natin yung letter D na kanyang value, which is 2. Now, we continue solving the problem. A of 25 is equal to, copy lang muna natin, isolve muna natin yung what's inside the parenthesis, which is the 25 minus 1. So, 25 minus 1, that would give us 24. Multiplied to 2. That's A of 25 is equal to, copy muna natin, apply natin ang PEMDAS. Okay? So, multiplication or division first before we add or subtract. So, let's multiply 24 times 2. 24 times 2 would give us 48. Okay. So, negative 7 plus 48. Now if i-recall natin no, yung rules of the integers, when it comes to addition with different sign, ang ginagawa natin is we subtract them together and we copy the sign of the number which has a largest absolute value. Now, absolute value of negative 7, that is 7. Absolute value of 48, that is 48. So basically, yung sign ng 48 ang kokopyahin natin. So negative 7 plus 48 would give us positive 41. So therefore, the 25th term of the sequence is equal to 41. Lagyan lang natin ng conclusion. Therefore, the 25th term of the sequence, is equal to 41. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.